Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Lee Snyder, the product manager for the Steel segment here at Trimble. And what I'll be showing is just a quick overview of the new function called the Snapshot Overlay. So basically what this is, if you come in and open up the drawing list and you edit any drawings, you have the option when you save the drawing to also save a drawing snapshot. And there's several things that you can do with that now in version 2016i. The first thing that I'll show is this here. If I just come in and select this drawing here and click on snapshots, this will open automatically this snapshot of the last state of the drawing. And that's really handy because you can come in, it's fully vectorized here, that you can come in and you can zoom in, you can pan around and see whatever you want to see without having to wait for the general arrangement drawing to open. You also have options to overlay the drawing directly in the model, and then we also have options to overlay that within the drawing itself. So let's go ahead first and let's just overlay this right into the model. So this is just going to take that sheet, it's going to place it there into the model, and then we can view it in relation to that. So let me just toggle over to our elevation view here that we're looking at. And so you can see here in magenta, this is the drawing overlaid. I can see all the dimensions, spacings, the piece marks, and if there were any sections or details on this drawing, those would show up as well, which I'll show you here in another example. So there you can see that's where the drawing was cut from the model. You can see and rotate it around there. So let me just come back here and let's just shut this off here for a minute, and then just take a look at what would happen if we came in and made some model changes. So I'm just going to use the chevron brace component, and I'm just going to quickly add in a brace there, and then let's just add one in over here as well. So select the beam, and then here's my 2 points there, and then I have that brace. So if I go back to my drawing, and let's say that we come in and we open this up now. Now this model, or this drawing, automatically reflects what's directly there within the model. But let's say that we wanted to compare that to the overlay. So here, if I open up my snapshot again, I have the option to overlay this in the drawing, and I can show the snapshot only. So if I just click on that, then here that's what's going to be shown there in the models, the snapshot only. And then if I click on none, that's going to show me what the current state of the model is. So it's very easy to be able to see if there were any revisions or changes based upon the last time you saved that, or we can overlay the two on top of each other. And since this is just adding in information, it doesn't look any different than the actual state there of the model. So there's one example that's really helpful. Another example would be over here on the fabrication side. If we come in and let's open up this snapshot here. So here's the current state from the last time that we saved this. If we want to overlay this within the model, I've actually made some model changes to this, so we should be able to see those here. And let me zoom in over here, and let's just add in a clip plane. So let's just drag this over. There we go. All right. Now here's this beam that we're looking at. So I've gone in, and this is just pulling in the drawing annotation. So here I have dimensions, weld symbols, piece marks, etc., and it's overlaid right on top of this drawing. And one of the cool things too is that it also shows these sections, how they were cut from the model. So as you can see here, since the last time I saved this drawing, I shifted this beam over 24 inches. I added in a 4th bolt. So this is just showing what was in the model or in the drawing the last time I saved it. And then you can see, if we zoom over here, we can see all of this information in relation to that. So let's open up this drawing. That way we'll be able to use this snapshot feature to overlay here within the model. So let me just open this guy up. Looks like I got it minimized over here. All right, and then you can see the normal Tekla class, this shifted over. This was that piece mark, the bolt hole was added. So let's go ahead and compare these. So let's say just show me the snapshot only. If I zoom out here, then you can see these are all section A's, and then I don't have that section B. And then if I just click to none, then it shows me here that this new view's been added, this section B's been added, and then I have this piece that's shifted over there. So it's just a nice little feature to be able to overlay the drawing directly into the model. And then also to view just the snapshot of the previous saved version of the drawing, or to overlay the two to see any differences, or just to view the current state of the drawing at that particular time. So as I mentioned, this is available in version 2016i. Feel free to check it out, send us any feedback that you may have, and we hope you enjoy this new development.